My name is Hope, and this is Show Me Assignment number 2. We have a 22-pound, 3-year-old spayed female terrier mix. This particular patient's been prescribed clindamycin for a bacterial infection. Clindamycin oral suspension is 10 milligrams per kilogram, which is our dosage rate, and the medication has a concentration of 25 milligrams per milliliter. The directions in shorthand are by mouth twice a day for 10 days. Our first step is we want to convert our patient's weight, which is 22 pounds, to kilogram. So we're going to set up our conversion factor. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds, so we're going to set it up where the pounds cancel out. We'll multiply the numbers across in the numerator, so we're going to have 22 times 1, which leaves us with 22. We're going to divide 22 by 2.2, which is the denominator, and that will leave us with 10 kilograms. So that is our patient's weight in kilograms. The next step is we want to set up our problem. So we're going to take the patient's weight and multiply that with the dosage rate, which is 10 milligrams per kilogram for the clindamycin. So we're going to take 10 kilograms and multiply that times 10 milligrams per kilogram. As you can see, our kilograms are going to cancel each other out. So 10 times 10 is 100 milligrams. So our dose, which is the amount that's going to be given to the patient at one time, is 100 milligrams. The third step is we want to set it up where our amount is going to equal the dose over our concentration. Like we just figured, our dose is 100 milligrams. The concentration of the clindamycin is 25 milligrams per milliliter. We're going to divide 100 by 25, which is going to leave us with 4. Because as you can see here, our milligrams cancel out, it'll leave us with 4 milliliters. The last step that we want to do is we want to set up the directions to the client to go home where they can understand it. So we'll say Fluffy will need 4 milliliters by mouth twice a day for the next 10 days. More than likely we'd send home a 6 milliliter syringe. Since this medication is a suspension, we want to let them know to please shake before using.